Hey, if your CapCut timeline keeps stuttering while you're editing, yeah, that can be super annoying and slow down your workflow. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix Playback Stutter so your editing is smooth. First, make sure you're using the latest version of CapCut. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. GPU acceleration can help playback run much smoother. Go to Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow GPU Acceleration, and turn it on. High preview quality can cause stutter, especially on lower-end PCs. Reduce your preview quality in the timeline settings to something like 720p or draft mode. Other apps using CPU or RAM can make your timeline stutter. Close browsers, games, or other heavy applications while editing. Large projects with multiple layers, effects, or 4K clips can overload playback. Try splitting the project, reducing effects, or converting clips to a lower resolution format temporarily. So yeah, updating CapCut, enabling GPU acceleration, lowering preview quality, closing background apps, and optimizing your project usually fixes timeline stutter. Try these steps and your edits should play smoothly.